Hello everyone and welcome back again to Learn Now, your learning partner. Today we are going to learn an important function of Excel. And function if called if function. The if function is the logical function which is used to return one value if a condition is true and another value if the condition is false. It can be applied in any cell. So for example, now we are in the cell G2, and the formula is equal to if, type if, and the bracket has been open. As you can see the logical test, the value is true, a value is false. So if I select D2 is equal to 90, true then false and bracket close and then enter. So it will show you the value, true or false, wherever you can see the 90, it has been true. So this is the one use of the if function. If you can see over here, wherever the number 90 is there, it has been mentioned true and for other it has mentioned false. Another use of if function is over here and it is very helpful function. I write if and I select that D2 is equal to 90, and now instead of true, I will write my own comment. So for any alphabet we need to open the apostrophe and we'll write the comment yes and we'll close it by using apostrophe, then for another comment again we will open the apostrophe and mention as no, and then close the apostrophe and bracket. We will put the filter and you can see over here where is 90, as mentioned, true, in column G and column H it is mentioned yes, and other than 90, you can see that it has mentioned false or no. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow, as we are going to learn many new functions in Excel and many other tools. That's it for today. I hope you have learned something new.